In this video, I am going to explain a very interesting and important trick how to find even and odd Pythagorean triplets, which will be very helpful in solving the examples in various competitive examinations. Now, what is Pythagorean triplet? Now, let us consider a first Pythagorean triplet, that is 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4, 5 is an Pythagorean triplet. Means here the square of the greatest side 5 square is equal to 25, and square of the sum of the other two sides, that is 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So here triplet satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, that is square of the greatest side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So here 3, 4, 5 satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, hence it is called as Pythagorean triplet. So triplet which satisfies the Pythagoras theorem is called as Pythagorean triplet. We can find infinite number of triplet if we give a common multiple to the triplet, Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5. Here 3n, 4n and 5n. N is a common multiple and n is a natural number. Since if we multiply the given triplet, n is equal to 2, and multiply the given triplet by 2, we'll get 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. Square of the greatest side, that is 10 square is 100, and sum of the other two sides, that is 6 square 36 plus 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64 is equal to 10, which satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So it is a Pythagorean triplet. We take n is equal to 3 and multiply 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Again 9, 12 and 15 is a Pythagorean triplet. Similarly, as we change the n is equal to 10, to multiply by 10 the given triplet, then 3 10 are 30, 4 10 are 40 and 5 10 are 50 and so on. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. As n will change, you will get a number of infinite number of Pythagorean triplet. Here n is a natural number. Learn how to find even Pythagorean triplet using even number. So first even number 4, that is 4, you have to make half of 4, 4 divided by 2. Step number 1, 4 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2. You have to take square of this 2. Take square of this 2. 2 square is equal to 4. Now, adding 1 to this 4 plus 1. Add 1 to this 4, we'll get 4 plus 1, 5. And subtract 1 from this 4, you'll get 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here, the number indicating in the circle is a Pythagorean triplet. So here Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4 and 5. Let us take next even number, that is 6. Now first step, you have to make half of this 6. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3. Now take square of this number. Square of 3 is equal to 9. So here we have to add 1 to this 9. So we will get 10 and subtract 1 from the 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So the Pythagorean triplet is 6, 8 and 9. 6, 8 and 10 is the Pythagorean triplet. So even members of Pythagorean triplet are n upon 2 bracket square minus 1 and n upon 2 bracket square plus 1. Using this formula, we can find any even triplet. So we choose n is equal to, let us choose n is equal to 10. N is 10. So first step, n is equal to 10. So one element of Pythagorean triplet 10. Now to find second element, we have to n upon 2. N upon 2, that is 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. 5. Square of this 5, 5 square, which is equal to 25. 25. Now we have to add 1 to this 25 and subtract 1 from 25. So after adding 1 from the 25, we'll get 25 plus 1, 26, and subtracting 1 from 25, we'll get 24. So the other two elements of Pythagorean triplet are 24 and 26. So here the Pythagorean triplet is 10, 24 and 26 is the Pythagorean triplet. More example, even number, let n is equal to 12. So let us consider even number 12, one of the element of the triplet. Now first step is we have to divide this 12 by 2, half. So 12 upon 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 is equal to 6. Now square of this n upon 2 bracket square. Square of n upon 2, n is equal to 12, 12 upon 2, that is 6, 6 bracket square is equal to 36. Now next element we have to subtract 1. So 36 minus 1. 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. And next element will get n upon 2 bracket square, that is n upon 2 means 12 upon 2, that is 6 bracket square, that is 36 plus 1. So plus 1, which is equal to 36 plus 1 is 37. So the even Pythagorean triplet is 12, then 35 and 37 is a Pythagorean triplet. Last example, let us take n is equal to 20, a even number. Now first step, n is 20, one of the element of the Pythagorean triplet. Second element, we have to divide half n upon 2, that is 20 upon 2, which is equal to 10. 20 upon 2 is equal to 10. Square of this n upon 2 square, 10 square, which is equal to 100. So next element is n upon 2 square minus 1. So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Second element of the Pythagorean triplet. And the third element is n upon 2 bracket square plus 1. That is 100 plus 1 is 101. So the even Pythagorean triplet is 20, 99 and 101. So in this manner you can find infinite number of even Pythagorean triplet using the formula n upon 2 bracket square minus 1 and n upon 2 bracket square plus 1. Now we learn how to find odd Pythagorean triplet. So let us consider odd number 5. Now first step is you have to square the number, smallest odd number, that is 5 square of a triplet or triplet, smallest number 5 square, which is equal to 25. Now divide this 25 upon 2. Divide 25 upon 2, we will get 12.5. Half of 25 is 12.5. Now subtract 0.5 from 12.5, we will get 12, and add 0.5 in 12.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 13. So the triplet or triplet is 5, 12 and 13. Now let us consider another odd number, 11. So first step, square of 11. 11 square, which is equal to 121. Divide this 121 by 2. 121 upon 2 is equal to 2 6 are 12, 0 and 2 5 are 10, 60.5. So now add 0.5 in 60.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 61, and 60.5 minus 0.5 is equal to 60. So the triplet is 11, 60 and 61. So all members of the Pythagorean triplet are first element n square upon 2 minus 0.5, and third element is n square upon 2 plus 0.5. So let us take one example. Let n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. So first element, first member of the Pythagorean triplet, 7. Now second member, n square. N square, that is 7 square, which is equal to 49. 49 divided by 2, 49 upon 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8.5, that is 24.5. Now the second element will get n square upon 2 minus 0.5. So n square upon 2, that is 24.5 minus 0.5, which is equal to 24, is the second element, member of the Pythagorean triplet, and third member will get by adding n square upon 2 plus 0.5, that is 24.5 plus 0.5 is 25. So the Pythagorean triplet is 7, 24 and 25. Let n is equal to 30. N is 30, first member of the Pythagorean triplet. Now to find the second member, n square upon 2. So n is 30, first square is 30, 13 square. Square of 30 is equal to 169. Now 169 divided by 2. Divide 169 by 2. Divide 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 84.5. Now second member, n square upon 2 minus 0.5. So n square upon 2 is 84.5. 84.5 minus 0.5, which is equal to 84, is the second member, and the third member n square upon 2 plus 0.5. So 84.5 plus 0.5 which is equal to 85. So the Pythagorean triplet or Pythagorean triplet is 13, 84 and 85. In this manner we can find infinite number of odd Pythagorean triplet using the formula n square upon 2 minus 0.5 and n square upon 2 plus 0.5.